Welcome back to InnoCars Sight. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic cars in automotive history, the 1969 Nissan Skyline Hakosuka GTR. This legendary vehicle not only set the stage for Nissan's performance lineage, but also captured the hearts of car enthusiasts around the globe. According to the latest updates, we'll explore its history, specifications, and the impact it has had on the automotive world. So, buckle up as we take a closer look at the Hakosuka, the Nissan Skyline GTR, known affectionately as the Hakosuka, was introduced in 1969. This model marked the beginning of a new era for Nissan, combining advanced engineering with a sporty design. The GTR badge was first used on the Skyline GTR, which was a variant of the Skyline sedan. According to recent news, the GTR was developed to compete in motorsport, particularly in Group 2 racing, where it quickly made a name for itself. The original Skyline was launched in 1957, but it wasn't until the late 1960s that Nissan began to focus on performance. The 1969 model was a significant leap forward, featuring a more powerful engine and a design that would become synonymous with Japanese performance cars. This shift in focus was driven by a growing demand for sports cars in Japan and the desire to compete on an international level. The design of the Hakosuka is a blend of classic styling and innovative features. According to the latest updates, the car's body was characterized by its sleek lines and aggressive stance. The front end featured a distinctive grille and round headlights, giving it a classic yet sporty look. The rear of the vehicle showcased a unique taillight design that has become an iconic feature of the Skyline series. The exterior dimensions of the Hakosuka contributed to its sporty appearance, with a length of approximately 4,500 m, a width of 1,660 m, and a height of 1,380. Recent reports confirm that it was equipped with basic gauges and controls, focusing on driver engagement rather than luxury. This minimalistic approach resonated with enthusiasts who valued performance over frills. Inside, the cabin was designed for functionality, with a straightforward layout that prioritized the driver's experience. The seats were supportive, and the dashboard housed essential instruments, ensuring that the driver could stay focused on the road ahead. Recent updates highlight that the simplicity of the interior has become part of its charm, appealing to purists who appreciate the raw driving experience. Under the hood, the 1969 Nissan Skyline Hakosuka GTR was powered by the legendary S20 engine. This 2.0-liter inline-six engine was derived from the Prince R8 engine used in the R8 sports car. According to the latest specifications, the S20 engine produced approximately 160 horsepower and 130 lp-ft torque, allowing the Hakosuka to achieve impressive performance figures for its time. The GTR also featured a 4-speed manual transmission and a rear-wheel drive layout, enhancing its driving dynamics. Recent updates reveal that the car's suspension system was advanced for its era, with independent front suspension and a live axle in the rear, providing a balance between comfort and performance. This setup allowed the Hakosuka to handle corners with agility while maintaining a smooth ride on the highway. Performance-wise, the Hakosuka could accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just around 8 seconds, which was quite impressive for a car of its era. According to recent tests, it had a top speed of approximately 130 mph. These figures solidified its reputation as a true performance vehicle, capable of competing with its contemporaries. The Hakosuka GTR quickly made its mark in the world of motorsport. According to official records, it dominated the Japanese touring car scene, winning numerous races and championships. The car's success on the track solidified its reputation as a performance icon. In 1971, the Skyline GTR won the Japanese Touring Car Championship, which further elevated its status. Recent analysis highlights that this success laid the groundwork for future GTR models, establishing a legacy that continues to this day. The Hakosuka was not just a participant, it was a dominant force, showcasing Nissan's engineering prowess and commitment to motorsport. Furthermore, the GTR success influenced the design and engineering of subsequent models, setting a benchmark for performance that Nissan would strive to achieve in future generations. The racing pedigree of the Hakosuka has become a point of pride for Nissan, and its victories are celebrated in the annals of motorsport history. The cultural impact of the 1969 Nissan Skyline Hakosuka GTR cannot be overstated. According to recent insights, this vehicle has inspired countless enthusiasts and has become a symbol of Japanese automotive engineering. Its appearances in popular media, including films like Fast and Furious and video games such as Gran Turismo, have helped to cement its status as a beloved classic. The Hakosuka's influence extends beyond just performance. It has become a cultural icon representing the spirit of Japanese car culture. Recent updates confirm that it remains a sought-after model among collectors, with pristine examples fetching high prices at auctions. The car has a dedicated following, with clubs and communities formed around its legacy, ensuring that its story continues to be told. Moreover, the Hakosuka has become a canvas for automotive customization, with many enthusiasts modifying it to enhance its performance and aesthetics. This trend has further solidified its place in car culture as it continues to inspire new generations of car lovers. In conclusion, the 1969 Nissan Skyline Hakosuka GTR is more than just a car. It's a piece of automotive history that continues to inspire generations of car enthusiasts. According to the latest updates, its blend of performance, design, and motorsport legacy makes it a true icon in the automotive world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of the Hakosuka. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content from InnoCars Sight. Until next time, keep your passion for cars alive and remember to cherish the legends that paved the way for the future of automotive excellence.